husband trying to explain to me that I am snoring every night, louder than a damn wildebeest.
I didn't say nothing about that. I just asked why was you complaining about your mattress, saying that you need a new one if you're snoring at night very loud.
Okay, have you ever been tired before?
So that's what it is. You're very tired. Every night you're tired.
I have 2 children. I go to school and I run behind your ass. Yes, I'm tired.
You run behind me.
We be running errands. That's what I'm trying to say.
Run behind me.
We run errands.
We be running. I just want to know what's going on here.
We run errands.
What? We run errands in a car, or we be running? In a car, we be running errands in a vehicle, or we running on the street.
Look.
With like baskets and shit.
You know what?
Trying to get
so don't be sitting here trying to act like you don't snore. You snore too.
No, that ain't the point. The point is, you say I snore. Okay, it's cool. And you be like, I don't snore. But
lately I have been snoring, and I told you.
Oh, this is a new thing. This is some fresh stuff.
You told me last week I didn't snore. Then all of a sudden this week I snore.
I told you last week you didn't snore?
Yeah, you said you just be breathing hard. You don't snore. But then this week, all of a sudden, you got the jokes, Comedy Central over here.
I'm just saying, I want to know what's going on. Is there something new going on in your life that I don't know about that's causing you to be so tired that you want to have conversations in the bed at night? Be talking about what you're going to do, and then 5 seconds later, you snoring in my ear.
Okay. For those of you who do not know, I put on a little bit of weight.
A little bit of weight? Woman, you ain't put on enough weight to talk about is your weight. Why is you snoring? I want to know.
I went from 135 to 155. I put on a little bit of weight.
135, 155, 20 pounds. I don't know. That's what the doctor asked about that.
Shut up, I did. And so it's weighing on me. Just like when I snored when I was pregnant. I got a little bit more weight on me, so I snore. I'm working on it, so just leave me alone. I'm sorry I snore so loud that you can't get no sleep at night.
I can't sleep. That ain't the point.
But like I said, what are you doing up that you worried about my snoring?
I told you many times over and over.
No. You trying to say that I am up snoring as soon as I hit the bed, I'm snoring.
I'm trying to tell you.
Like a narcoleptic.
You get in there and want to carry some conversation and be falling asleep snoring in my face. That's what I'm trying to tell you. But be complaining in the bed talking about, this. I wish I had me a new mattress. This mattress don't feel good. When are you going to buy me a new mattress then?
Oh, really? That's what I sound like? Oh, tell it, keep it real. Keep it 100, because that's what we do in this house.
I'm just saying.
So turn around and tell me how I be snoring. I need to know. I need an example.
You need an example? So
yes.
This is the best way to do it. Not turn around, because I don't be looking at you when you be snoring that loud. Actually, I just hear it and I be like, what is that? At first I think it's the kids in the next room. But then I have to notice, it really is you. Right there across from me. With the pillow over your head. Snoring heavily. But saying that they need a new mattress because they can't sleep comfortably at night.
Well, just say this. Snoring or no snoring, do you still love me?
I didn't say I didn't love you.
I didn't ask you all that. I said, do you still love me if I snore?
Yeah, I still love you. But
you said but.
Do you need to stop snoring? Why you be having a conversation with me at night? Yeah, probably so.